You can handle the world of online dating with confidence if you watch the video we have for you today. So let's get going. The most important thing is to make an engaging profile. Display your distinctive personality and interests. Add an intriguing biography that piques interest, but keep it succinct. Keep in mind that initial impressions count. Make intelligent decisions when choosing your profile photo. Display a genuine grid, list your passions, and provide a range of photos that reflect your personality. But stay away from photos that are misleading or highly manipulated. Integrity is important. Let's now discuss messaging. Personalize your message while communicating with someone. Mention a specific aspect of their profile that piqued your interest. Your chances of getting a response will rise if you demonstrate genuine curiosity. On the other hand, if you get a message, study their profile carefully before responding. This will enable you to assess compatibility and create a deep connection right away. Talking to people is essential. Ask them open-ended questions and pay close attention to their answers. Be curious, demonstrate empathy, and don't be shy about sharing details of your personal experience. Open communication is necessary to establish a bond. Keep in mind that it's crucial to establish boundaries and move at your own pace. Put your safety first, and believe in your gut. Do not hesitate to block or report someone if they make you feel uneasy or show red flags. Finally, maintain an open mind. Online dating provides a huge pool of potential companions, yet love occasionally comes as a surprise. Be willing to investigate new connections and enjoy the trip. Thank you for viewing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for additional advice on dating. Have fun!